I am Director Eman. Welcome to the city of Lagos. If you're not a VIP, then you must know what it is to live the street life. And about the street life, let's take a ride.
Wait till happen. Kilo shele. Come off my phone.
Just too many angry people here in Lagos. If you are walking, don't be too slow. If you do, then you just introduced yourself as a newbie in the city. Because I'm in a hurry, he's in a hurry, everybody is in a hurry, except you. So the street boys believes too bad. You want to board a commercial bus, you keep waiting for the next few hours, and you wonder why there are no buses going your way. Not true. A lot of conductors called your destination, but you can only hear them if you can decode the sound. He said he's going to Ojuelegba, Anthony, Ikeja, and Maryland. Oh, you missed your way? Don't ask, unless a law enforcement officer. Don't go that way. He didn't actually give you a direction. He just told you, get out. Traffic congestion in Lagos? A topic for another day. But with over 20 million people in one city, business is good. So if you think people are going to leave the city of Lagos because of the disadvantages, wait until it's 50 million people. I am Director Eman. This is my entry for the Hollyland Feel My City Sound campaign. Bye for now.